Do you lose hairs throughout the day and you're wondering why that's happening? Is it normal? I get so many questions from people saying, hey, salon guy, you know, it's in the middle of the day and I'm running my fingers through my hair and I'm seeing hair come out. Is that normal? Well, yes, it's absolutely normal. And a lot of people don't realize that every human being loses hundreds of hairs throughout the day. And it literally is very, very normal. So, you know, if you are just doing simple things like this and you're running your fingers through your hair and you see a couple of strands come out, it's totally normal. Obviously, if your hair is thinning and you're losing your hair and it's coming out in clumps, you know, that may be a whole other issue when I have videos on that. But just day to day, you're seeing a couple hairs here and there, you know, it's normal. Now, you will see more hairs coming out of your hair or from your head if you have, you know, different types of hair types, hair densities, hairstyles. So I'm going to show you a couple of different mannequins and give you my opinion. So this is kind of a traditional, somewhat normal haircut, and this is the Troye Sivan haircut I recently did. If anyone's asking, I did it on my channel. It's my last video, so check it out. But if you've got shorter hair types, chances are, you know, the hairs are probably coming out, but you just may not be seeing them, okay? So shorter hairstyles, most likely you're not going to be seeing it as much, but it's still happening. Now, once we get into kind of hair that has any sort of length to it, something like this, where the hair, you know, we've got some more texture, we've got some more length, these are hairstyles where you are running your fingers through your hair a lot, then you are going to start to see more hairs. Now, you may not even see them because you just go like this and they come out, right? But a lot of times people are saying, oh, I'm seeing it in my hands, they get like freaked out, you know? Well, that's, again, it's normal. They're supposed to come out and it's nothing to be alarmed with. Now, if you are being very, you know, rough with your hair or you're wearing like lots of hats, things like that, I have noticed that because of the pressure of the hat on your head, you know, when you go like this, your hair's in a clump. So when you loosen your hair up with your fingers, it's going to be like, whoa, you may see a lot of hair coming out. Again, it's something that is fairly normal. Now, if you've got this type of hairstyle right here, here we go, check this out. If you've got a hairstyle that's a lot longer, well, guess what? You start brushing your fingers through your hair and you're going to start to see the same amount, but look, even me doing that, I'm seeing longer pieces of hair. So keep in mind, whatever hair is coming out from your head and your hands or what you're seeing, it's pretty much going to be the length of what your hair is. So I just, you know, especially for women's hair or even men and women with longer hair, you run your fingers through it and guess what? Or you brush it, it's going to come out in your hands. Again, it's totally normal. It's just part of, you know, being a human being. And the longer the hair is, I would say the chances are you're going to see probably the same amount of hair. You're just going to notice it more because it's such a long strand of hair, okay? It's like shedding, right? You're shedding and there's hair all over the place and that's it. So depending on, you know, there's a difference between shedding and also breakage, right? If you are brushing your hair or doing things normal and you're seeing some strands come out, then fine. But again, if you are doing things to your hair like a chemical process or, you know, using hot tools all the time and you're actually breaking your hair, that's something completely different. That's something you have to be cautious of and take different actions to prevent that from happening. So let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful and if you experienced this and if I've answered your questions. Thanks so much. Use code YouTube20, that's 20% off all my products at shop.thesalonguy.com and free shipping on orders over $50. Take care.